Hey guys, it is Wednesday. I'm so out of breath. I have to walk so far to get to my car. Like, there is, oh, you can't see crap, it's too bright. Anyway, so I thought I'd vlog a little bit before I start driving because I can't drive and vlog. But today is Wednesday. I just got off work. It's about 5 o'clock. I'm gonna go pick up my daughter and also my son. I have my work cut out for me today. My daughter's at her dad's house waiting for me, and then I have to go pick up my son at the daycare, so they're in two separate locations. We live about an hour away from this area where I work and they go to school and stuff, so it's about 5. I actually have a visit at 7:30, which is a remote visit. So basically it's kind of like Skype, where we can talk, do a video visit at home, which I'm really excited for. It's the first time they've offered this at the facility that my boyfriend is at, so I'm really excited for this, and I really hope it works because I don't know if it's gonna work. And I haven't seen him for about a month because they were changing the visiting system, so I'm really even more excited to see him. And I'm not dressed I didn't get like do my makeup really well today, but I don't care, and he's seen me in all types of ways, so I'm not really worried about that part. But yeah, it's just gonna be a really busy night. This is what my life consists of. I need to hurry and go get my kids, but it's about 5 now. I'm hoping to be home by at least 7 so I can get things ready for a visit at 7:30. So yeah, I'm really excited. Hey, good morning. It is actually a week later now. My phone got stolen last Thursday, the same day last week. I went to the Smiths and I was shopping, whatever. I walked out and I left my phone in the cart. I literally drove out of the parking lot maybe like for 2 minutes, and then I realized that my phone was gone, so I went back and I went straight to customer service, and the lady was like, oh yeah, some young like 13-year-old kid brought it up and said it was lost. And then he was like, oh wait, I know whose it is, and he ran out. And yeah, rest in peace to my phone, because I tried calling it and it was just going straight to voicemail, and yeah, it was gone forever. So I had to order a new phone, which didn't get here till Monday, and then I've just been super busy since then. So anyways, I'm back on the vlog. Just a little update. I'm actually wearing, if you saw my magnetic lash video, I am actually wearing those today. I ended up trimming like the end, the beginning right here, and then putting just like basically the ends on, so they don't look too bad. When you look down though, still look not on there perfect, but I'm out of lashes, so I had to use these. It's actually a really big day. Well, I feel like it's a big day. My boyfriend does go to court today, and turn that off. He does go to court today, and there's a possibility that he'll be able to get out. I don't know though. We're not trying to get our hopes up, but they are gonna like argue bail and stuff like that, because he has been in there about 22 months. So we're hoping that he'll be able to bail out, hopefully. I've been also dealing with some other stuff. I want to talk about it, but at the same time I feel like people watch I know that there's certain people who watch my videos, like that I know in real life, and you know, they make judgments off of it, etc. And it shouldn't matter, but it does. So there's just some issues that I've been kind of dealing with everything. And honestly, last night was really rough for me. I don't know if I want to talk about it on here just because I know these people are watching, but here's the thing. I'm usually really respectful. My mom raised me that way. She raised me to be kind, to be respectful, especially to your elders, you know, just stuff like that. And in relationships, like whether it be like with your man or relationships with people in general, I feel like, you know, I come off way too nice to the point where people feel like they can say and do shit to me that, you know, they wouldn't probably normally do if I stood up and said something for myself. And I like to avoid conflict at all costs. Honestly, that saying, if you don't have anything nice to say, then don't say anything at all, that's how I feel, because the things I know about people that they don't realize that I do know about them, if I'm gonna come out and say it, I can destroy your fucking life. I'm not trying to be all hardcore, but it's true. If I really came out and talked to people the way they talk to me, and said the shit, like said some real shit to them and put them in check and made them realize, they probably would, I don't know, maybe I should stick up for myself more. And you guys don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm just like vaguely talking about it and being passive aggressive, and no, I hate it. I hate being passive aggressive too. So I don't know. I really hope today goes well. I really hope that my boyfriend can just come home, because a lot of it is people that he normally deals with that I'm having to deal with right now. And yeah, I just shouldn't be talking to these people. These are people that he needs to be dealing with, and that I don't deserve to be treated a certain way. I don't treat these people a certain way, and they're be treating me like shit. So fuck them. Anyways, that's not my concern today. My concern is getting to work. Hopefully things go well with this court. I can't go. I've missed way too much work with court and everything else, so I cannot go. And I'm really sad, because this is actually a really big day that I should be there, but I just can't. We're changing companies at work, and yeah, I can't miss any time. So my sister's actually gonna go for me. So she's gonna kind of keep me posted. It's at 9. It's about 7 now. I'm gonna head to work now and just be all stressed out thinking about it. But maybe one day I'll talk about all these crazy things. It's just tough when like you make videos about your life and then people see it, and then I don't know. I don't care if it's strangers. Like, I really don't care what strangers think, but like when it's people in your life and you know they're low-key like hating on you and like hate watching you, yeah, it's tough to like want to talk about shit, because you're just like, I know you're watching, bitch. Yeah, I know you're watching. So anyways, I'm gonna go to work. I'll probably try to check back in and tell you how things went with the court. Well, today was pretty horrible. So he went to court. My sister went for me because I couldn't go because I was at work. And he went to court. His lawyer was up there speaking on his behalf for like maybe 5-10 minutes. And then they asked everyone to evacuate the building, and apparently somebody had called in a bomb threat there. So his court got rescheduled for a date unknown, because cool. Oh, good job. So it got rescheduled, but we don't even know the date yet, because everyone got evacuated because of this bomb threat. And people were joking like, somebody probably just didn't even want to go to court today. And so they just called in a bomb threat. There was no bomb, obviously. So they rushed him out of court, rushed him back to the jail, and everyone had to leave. My sister is like FaceTiming me, and I was like, fuck. So yeah, I don't know. It was supposed to be a good day. And then on top of that, my phone got all messed up. I ain't even gonna talk about it. But I was like, watch me come back and be like, he's coming home. But no. Same old shit, different day. Anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog because it's been like the longest vlog. Oh, it's just been so long. Not much to say. I'm actually at my mom's right now, just hanging out. And I'll try and vlog again. Give an update on what the hell's going on with this. These are coming off. And I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.